Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, you might be wondering, what on earth is this? Well, I am kind of updating my channel. It's quite cool. But I'm updating my channel, and this is going to be something very special. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do it or not, but give it a try. But so it's gonna be boring, and whoever guesses right, I think can get one free. I think, or half price, or I don't know. But I have that always happens. But see, I don't know why it does that. It's probably all connected or something. Whatever.
Oh, yes.
Krabby Patties. Ah, Krabby Patties! Not much I can't do, I just give up and go home. Cause I'm Whoopi Shot Dash. My fingers go all crazy and tense. But yeah. Sorry if I'm acting a bit strange. I have a party in 1 hour. Shouldn't be doing this video. But yeah. So yeah, better hurry up and get on with it. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you something funny. So I have knife, not a knife, but like shut up. No, not a Swiss Army knife, but I have there's a nail over there, big nail, fairly sharp. I did this to him. So I got my 2 magnets. Actually no, I used 2. And I got the nail, so pretend this is the nail. Put it on the bottom. And then I dropped it onto his leg. Ouch! He was crying very bad way. He was always. Oh. So, tell me if you like this or not. So, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. You should not be here. What am I doing? No, I'm not meant to show that stuff. No. Okay. So, if you know any good, video recording software other than Bandicam and Screencast-O-Matic, other than that, can you suggest any free, make sure it's free, recording software and also editing software? Because I really need more subscribers so I can join the YouTube community, but you can't do that until you have 1,000 subscribers. I know, and I'm only at 33, so I'm never gonna do it. No, I won't say. But should I quit YouTube? Because from 28th of March, from the 28th of February, I went down 2 subscribers. It's not a lot, but if I have, that means I had 34. Because I remember I was on 34, now it's on 33. I must have went down 2 and then up 1. So I really need more subscribers. Okay, fine, I'll tell you what this is. This is my watermark. You know what that means? And also, I'm sorry if I'm sorry if in my Super Smash Flash my Super Smash Flash 2 video, I'm sorry if that if you can hear my keyboard. That is just whoops. Probably wasn't meant to do that, but sorry if you could hear it. I don't know why that went. Okay. Okay, I have to go now. Bye, guys. Bye. Please, please, please subscribe. Yeah.